Hi everyone, today I'm gonna talk about the reasons why humans having to breathe constantly. Let's begin with the meaning of respiration and the reasons for humans having to breathe constantly. Respiration is the way the body carries the oxygen contained in the Earth's atmosphere. It enters the body through the respiratory tract, enters the lungs, and then exchanges within the lungs to carry waste products or carbon dioxide excreted outside the body. This process will take place continuously until the creature dies, which the body no longer needs oxygen. The oxygen that the body receives will be used in the process of generating energy, and the results are water and carbon dioxide. The water will be used and the carbon dioxide is eliminated.
Now let's move on to the purpose of respiration. The purpose of respiration is to supply the body with oxygen and eliminate carbon dioxide.
I'd like to talk about main parts of respiratory system and their functions. Nasal cavity function allow air to enter respiratory system. Pharynx function to warm and humidify air before it reaches the lungs. Epiglottis function cover the entrance of the larynx so the food will not get into the lower respiratory tract when swallowed. Larynx function the way the air passes through to the lungs. It also produces vocal sounds and prevents the food or other particles get into lower respiratory tract. Diaphragm function primary muscle used in respiration located below the lungs.
Oral cavity function work for nasal cavity if it needed. Trachea function allows air to pass through the lungs. Bronchial function pathway of air to alveoli. Lung function hold oxygen in the air we breathe into the red blood cells. Alveoli function place that exchange of gases occurs.
This animation shows what happens when oxygen gets into human body cells and how does it lead to energy. When we breathe in, oxygen will get into human body cells by passing through previous respiratory organs. Then the oxygen will get into mitochondria in the cells and then break down sugar in the mitochondria into energy for us to use.
This animation we are playing right now shows the movement of respiratory organs when we inhale and exhale.
Now we are moving to the next topic. These are what happens to our respiratory organs when we inhale. First, ribcage moves upward. Then diaphragm contracts. Next, chest expands. And finally, lungs expand.
We just talked about what happened to our respiratory organs when we inhale. Now we are gonna take a look at what happens to our respiratory organs when we exhale. First, ribcage moves downwards. Then diaphragm relax. Next, lungs contract, and the last one is chest contracts.